Hello everyone, how are you? So today we are going to work on the Pythagorean Theorem. So the Pythagorean Theorem states that for a right triangle, like you have here, ABC, you have an equality between the side of the triangle. So here you have a right triangle with a right angle right here. Okay, so you have A and B, which are the leg of the right triangle, and C, which is the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is the longest side of a right triangle. Okay. So the Pythagorean theorem states that a square plus b square equals c square. Okay. So when you take the square of both legs and you sum it up, it equals the square of the hypotenuse. Okay. So let's see an example. If you have a right triangle with A equal, for example, 4, let's say 4, B equals 3. Okay, so let's calculate C. So the Pythagorean theorem states that 4 square plus 3 square, okay, equals C square. So let's calculate C then. Let's calculate the value of the hypotenuse. So here we have an equation. We have to resolve a simple equation, okay, with C as the unknown value. Okay, so you can see my other videos on how to resolve a simple equation. So let's calculate. 4 square equals 16 plus 3 square equals 9. Okay. So 16 plus 9 equals 25. Okay. So we have 25 equals C square. Okay. So as a consequence, we can calculate C. C equals square root of 25. Okay. And square root of 25 equals 5. Okay. So here we have computed the value of the hypotenuse with A and B. Okay. So now let's take another example. Let's say that here we have C, the hypotenuse, equals, for example, let's say let's say 9. And let's say that we don't know b, the value of b. Okay. So here again, because ABC is a right triangle, we can apply the Pythagorean theorem that states that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we have 4 squared plus b squared equals c squared, which is 9 squared. Okay. So again, we have a simple equation here. So let's calculate b. 4 squared equals 16 plus b squared equals 91. 9 squared equals 91. Okay. So b squared, now we have to isolate b squared. So we are going to apply minus 16 to both sides of the equation. Okay. So b squared plus 16 minus 16 equals b squared equals 81 minus 16. Okay. Which is 65. So we have b squared equals 65. Okay. So b equals the square root of 65. Okay. Okay, which is 8 point something. Right. I'm not going to calculate here. So here we have calculated b, which is square root of 65.